Today, you learn how to define a tool for PoWa the CRB 1910. To get started, tap the Program Data app on the home screen. Before using a tool in a program, you need to define it by sharing its parameters with a cobot. Tap Tool Data and create new data. Under the Declaration tab, enter a suitable name for your tool. If the tool mass is known, enter it in kilogram under the Initial Value tab. If unknown, you can automatically detect the tool mass by using the Load Identify function. Then tap OK and Apply. Finally, here are the available tools for your cobot program. PoWa the CRB 1910 brings the class-leading speed and reach, high quality, reliability and ease of use you need to take your business to the next level.